Hi, it's Richard McKinney with Remax Gold. Today we're going to talk about 3 important things to look for on your next home inspection. Stay tuned. Okay, so you know the importance of getting a home inspection when you're purchasing a home, but there's 3 specific things that I like buyers to look for here on the Treasure Coast when they're getting a home inspection. All right, number 1, we need that home inspector to give you a comprehensive overview of the roof. And in that inspection, they're going to check to see the age of the roof, how brittle the shingles are, and of course if there are any leaks. However, we also want them to do a special report called a wind mitigation that's going to take it a step further, and it's going to see how that roof is strapped down and the overall condition that it's in, to give you discounts on your insurance policy. So number 1 is you need to make sure that roof gets inspected very well. Okay, number 2 is the air conditioning system. Hey, it gets hot in Florida, right? So you want to make sure that AC is in good shape. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that that home inspector gets up in the attic and he checks those AC ducts for rips and tears, so we'll know if there's any air leaking from those ducts, because that can really cost you some money in the future. You also want to know the age of the air conditioner system. And next, the inspector wants to test the differential between the intake and the out of the airflow from the air conditioner system. And it can give you a warning sign of the health of the overall air conditioner. So number 2 is that air conditioning system. And number 3 is the electrical panel and complete electrical system on the property. There are a lot of things that can go wrong with a house, but making sure that that panel is in good shape and that it's up to code and that it's not a recalled panel, that's a very important thing for you guys when you're purchasing. So in addition to that, they'll check all of your outlets. They'll check for exposed wires up in the attic. All critical stuff that can help you make an educated decision when you're purchasing. Now look, there are a lot of things that they're going to check for, but your main 3 to me that you should be looking at are the roof, the air conditioner, and all the electrical in the house. And if you get a good idea on those things, usually the other stuff we can take care of with handyman work or something else. I hope that you find this information useful. If I can help you in any way, Richard McKinney, Remax Gold, give me a call, 772-370-8631. And as always, make it a great day.